The hug mistake most men make. There is a fatal mistake, a nearly invisible detail that most men make when hugging a woman without even realizing it. But it immediately tells her why this ruins attraction's subconscious that you lack masculine energy. The truth is, very few men actually know how to hug a woman the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 types of hugs, what each female psychology explained one communicates about you to her subconscious, and the 4th one. That one is what separates the men who stick in her memory from the ones who are easily forgotten, and almost no one talks about it. Stick with me. I'm Sally, an expert in female psychology and social dynamics. My job here is to tell you what women actually feel, but never say the one thing to never do out loud. Straight up, no judgment. And before we keep going, I want you to understand something. If you've messed this up before, no one ever taught you. Society gave you a script on how to act around women, but they completely skipped the part about physical contact. So take a breath. Today, that changes. What she notices. Instantly. Chapter 2. The fundamental principle. There's a fundamental principle in female psychology that explains all of this. Women feel first, they think later. While you're busy analyzing the confidence versus awkwardness situation and weighing the pros and cons, she's already registered how she felt being near you. It's biological. It's the limbic system acting before reason even kicks in. And a hug bypasses all the conversation, all the how to do it right logic, and goes straight to that primitive emotional system. In less than 4 seconds of physical contact, her body answers a question she doesn't even know she's asking. Does this man make me feel safe? Does he have presence? Does he know who he is? You can be funny, interesting, and successful, but if the attraction shift hug fails, her body overrides everything else. If this is making sense to you so far, go ahead and hit that like button. It lets me know I'm on the right track. Final insight to helping you. So let's get into what you should never do. Chapter 3, the weak hug. Error number 1, the weak hug. You've definitely given one of these or received one. Your arms barely touch the other person. Your body stays far away. The pressure is basically zero, almost like you're afraid you're going to break something. And sometimes it's just one arm, the famous courtesy side hug. Psychologically, this hug communicates uncertainty, hesitation, a total lack of presence. Her subconscious translates this as he's not sure of himself. She won't think this consciously, but she'll feel it, and that feeling will stick. Chapter 4, the aggressive hug. Error number 2, the aggressive hug. The complete opposite and just as destructive. Squeezing way too hard, holding on way past the point of comfort, or letting your hands wander to inappropriate places for the moment. That isn't intensity. That's an invasion of space. What does she feel? Discomfort? A lack of social awareness? The question that pops up is, does he even respect my boundaries? And the second that doubt appears, the attraction drops instantly. Chapter 5, the ghost hug error. Number 3, the ghost hug. This is the most underrated one. It's when you're hugging her, but your mind is somewhere else. You're looking around, you're tense, you're holding your breath, or you end the hug abruptly like you touched a hot surface. Physical presence without real presence. She feels like she doesn't matter, like you were there, but not really with her. And that's almost worse than the weak hug. Now, here's what actually changes everything. Chapter 6, the real masculine hug. A masculine hug is firm, intentional, and grounded. You don't wait, you lead, your feet are planted, stable. Because physical stability communicates emotional stability. One hand between the shoulder blades, the other at the middle of her back, chest to chest, constant pressure, not crushing, but not weak either. And you breathe. This is crucial. Breathing keeps you relaxed, and relaxation is contagious. If you are calm, she feels it. And her body responds with calmness too. The ideal timing, 2 to 4 seconds, not a quick tap, not an awkward eternity, just enough time for her to register. This man knows what he's doing. And you end the hug, not her. You release calmly, maybe a slight slide of your hands down her arms as you step back. Eye contact, a relaxed smile. The way you end it is just as powerful as the way you start. Remember, every hug is a preview of the kind of man you are. It's a micro expression of your character. She won't analyze it, but she will feel it and she'll remember that feeling. Starting today, you have an advantage most men will never have because they never even knew this detail mattered. If you want to keep learning how to create real attraction. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell. Next week, I've got another secret women feel but can rarely explain.